Welcome back to the channel. If you've been dreaming of starting your own business, but don't have a big budget, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to launch a profitable business with low investment, covering smart ideas, essential tips, and strategies to get started without breaking the bank. Stay tuned till the end for bonus tips to maximize your success. Starting a profitable business with low investment is a dream for many aspiring entrepreneurs. The good news is that with the right approach, strategic planning, and smart execution, it is possible to build a successful venture without a huge financial burden. Here are the top 5 ways to achieve this goal. Starting a profitable business with low investment is a dream for many aspiring entrepreneurs. The good news is that with the right approach, strategic planning, and smart execution, it is possible to build a successful venture without a huge financial burden. Here are the top 5 ways to achieve this goal. 5. Leverage online platforms and digital services. One of the most effective ways to start a business with low investment is by utilizing online platforms and digital services. The internet has opened up endless opportunities for entrepreneurs to reach a global audience with minimal startup costs. E-commerce, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and digital product sales are just a few of the lucrative online business models that require little upfront capital. By utilizing platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy, individuals can set up online stores without the need for physical inventory. Additionally, businesses based on content creation, such as blogging, YouTube channels, and social media influencing, allow entrepreneurs to generate revenue through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. The key to success in this area is identifying a niche with demand, creating valuable content or products, and effectively marketing them through social media and search engine optimization. To maximize success, entrepreneurs should invest time in understanding digital marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, and social media engagement. Building a strong brand presence and consistently creating high-quality content will help businesses stand out in a competitive online space. Additionally, collaborations with influencers, guest blogging, and networking within online communities can boost visibility and lead to greater profitability. 4. Offer service-based solutions. Another great way to start a profitable business with low investment is to offer service-based solutions. Unlike product-based businesses, service-based businesses require little to no inventory and can often be started with just the skills and knowledge the entrepreneur already possesses. Some popular options include freelancing, consulting, tutoring, graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can help freelancers connect with potential clients. The main focus should be on building expertise, showcasing a strong portfolio, and delivering excellent service to attract repeat business and referrals. Many successful service-based businesses begin with one person and eventually scale up by hiring additional team members or outsourcing work. Entrepreneurs in this category should focus on personal branding and customer satisfaction. Creating a professional website, offering free initial consultations, and collecting positive client testimonials can significantly enhance credibility. Additionally, attending networking events, joining industry groups, and utilizing social media for engagement can help establish authority in the field and attract more clients. Success in reselling requires strong research skills and trend analysis. Entrepreneurs should stay updated on market demand, seasonal trends, and pricing strategies to maximize profits. Effective listing optimization, attractive product photography, and responsive customer service can also contribute to higher sales. Additionally, using automation tools for inventory management and pricing adjustments can help streamline operations and increase efficiency. 3. Launch a home-based business. A lucrative option for low-investment entrepreneurship is starting a home-based business. Home-based businesses cut down on operational costs, such as rent and utilities, making them highly profitable. Baking, homemade crafts, customized gifts, subscription boxes, and handmade jewelry are some of the popular options in this category. Many small businesses start from home kitchens or garages and expand as they grow. Selling through social media, personal websites, and local events helps build a customer base. Additionally, businesses like home tutoring, pet sitting, and virtual assistants can be run entirely from home with minimal startup costs. Entrepreneurs in this space should focus on creating a strong brand presence and leveraging word-of-mouth marketing to increase their reach. For long-term sustainability, home-based businesses should focus on product innovation, high-quality customer service, and scalability, establishing a unique brand identity. Utilizing packaging that reflects professionalism and offering personalized experiences can create customer loyalty. Entrepreneurs should also explore partnerships with local businesses and participate in community events to enhance brand recognition and drive sales. 2. Monetize knowledge through training and educational services. Finally, one of the simplest yet effective ways to start a profitable business with low investment is by offering training and educational services. Many people are willing to pay for knowledge and skills that can help them grow personally or professionally. Online courses, coaching sessions, and workshops are great ways to monetize expertise. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare provide opportunities to sell courses with little upfront cost. Even offline training, such as fitness coaching, language tutoring, or skill-based workshops, can be started with minimal investment. Entrepreneurs should focus on identifying their area of expertise, developing a structured curriculum, and marketing their services effectively to attract students and clients. 1. Start a reselling or arbitrage business. Another effective way to start a low-investment business is through reselling or arbitrage. This model involves buying products at a lower price and reselling them for a profit. Entrepreneurs can source products from local markets, wholesalers, or clearance sales, and sell them online through platforms like eBay, Amazon, and Facebook Marketplace. Another option is dropshipping, where the seller does not need to keep inventory. Instead, they partner with suppliers who handle storage and shipping. This approach reduces financial risk and eliminates the need for a warehouse. By conducting thorough market research and selecting in-demand products, resellers can generate significant profits with minimal initial investment. And that's how you can start a profitable business with minimal investment. Remember, success comes from smart planning and taking action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more business tips. Let me know in the comments which idea you liked best, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.